Okay, hello guys, welcome back to Electrical Preps. Please, if today is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. So with this, we can multiply both sides by the exponent of 1 on m. Okay, so we are going to get 4 exponent m to brackets 1 on m, which is equal to m exponent 64 to brackets 1 on m. Okay, well, in algebra, we have a exponent s, okay, into brackets y, which is the same as a exponent x multiplied by I. Okay, so our equation now becomes 4 exponent m multiplied by 1 over m, which is equal to m exponent 64 multiplied by 1 over m. So with this, m cancel out this m, leaving 4 is equal to m exponent 64 multiplied by 1 over m. This. Now, let us focus on this one. Let's leave all the constant term on one side. Okay, so by doing that, we can multiply both sides by 1 on 65. Okay, so let's multiply both exponent by 1 on 64. So this one becomes 4 exponent 1 on 64, which is equal to, then this one can get m exponent of 1 on m brackets 64 multiplied by 1 on 64. It is. So this is 4, we cancel this, which is, now we are having 4 exponent 1 on 64, which is equal to m, this one, which is 1 exponent like this. Now, when you're having 4 exponent 4 over 4 is the same as 4, because this one will cancel, which is 1. So 4 exponent 1 is 1. Okay, multiplying by 1 on 64 is equal to m exponent 1 over m. Okay, so with this, we can write it as 4 exponent 4, okay, into brackets 1 on 4 multiplied by 64, and it's equal to m exponent 1 on m. Now, 4 exponent 4 is the same as 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, and this gives us 256. Okay, 4 multiplied by 64 is also 256. So we will write our expression as, so this one we are going to get 256 into bracket, now 1 on this one to gives us 256, okay, which is equal to m exponent 1 over m. So now we can say that our m, this and this, so 1 over 256 is equal to 1 over m. Let's continue from here. So m is equal to 256. Now, let's see if indeed m is equal to 256. So let's verify to check if indeed m is equal to 256. So we are having 4 exponent m is equal to m exponent 64. Now, when our m is 256, we are going to get 4 exponent 256 is it equal to is it equal to 2, 5, 6 exponent 64? Now, this, we are going to get 4 exponent 4 multiplied by 64 is the same as 256. Is it equal to 256 exponent 64? So this one, can we write it as 4 exponent 4 to bracket 64? And is this equal to 256 to bracket 64? 4 exponent 4, we are getting 256. 4 exponent 64, which is equal to 256 exponent 64. So it means that our m is equal to 256. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More exciting. Thank you for doing that. Bye bye.